Hello dear friends. Today we will work with choux pastry again. But this time we will prepare these delicious flat cakes. Take 10 tablespoons of flour. This is 350 grams. We will also need 200 milliliters of boiling water. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Dissolve it well and pour it into the flour. Lightly mix the flour with water and add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. While the dough is hot, knead with a spoon, then involve your hands. Gather all the flour into a lump and knead for an additional 2 or 3 minutes on the table. As you can see, the dough does not stick to your hands at all. This is the lump. Cover it with film and a towel. Let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes. Sprinkle the table with flour. Form a sausage like this. And divide the dough into 8 parts. I will make small flatbreads. If you want to make more, then divide the dough into about 6 parts. Form a lump like this and be sure to hide it under the film. Otherwise everything will dry out very quickly. Leave them to rest for about 7 minutes. Before rolling out the flatbread, heat the frying pan on maximum heat, then reduce the heat to medium. Roll out the flatbread while sprinkling the table well with flour. The dough should not stick to either the table or the rolling pin. Try to give the flatbread a round, even shape. This is the desired thickness of the dough. Here it is about 2 millimeters. Send the flatbread to the frying pan and watch. In about a minute and a half, large bubbles like these will appear. Turn the flatbread over and after about 40 seconds you can check. Exactly the same golden spots should appear on the other side. Turn it over again and look, the flatbread inflates on its own and a pocket appears inside. As soon as it is completely inflated, turn it over immediately. We need to fry the other side too. As you can see, everything happens very quickly. And in order not to mess around with cooking for a long time, as soon as you put the flatbread on the frying pan, immediately start rolling out a new piece. We have exactly 1.5 minutes for this. While you are rolling, do not forget to look at the stove so as not to miss large bubbles and have time to turn everything over. And also, friends, if one side is not fried well, and the flatbread has not yet sunk, you can pierce it with a knife and fry the desired side. This is what the pocket is like. You can fill it with something tasty. I often make such flatbreads simply instead of bread. But now I'll spread the flatbread with mayonnaise, add lettuce leaves, my own pickles and baked meat. And you can fantasize to your taste. Thank you for watching my channel. If you liked everything, give it a like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell so you don't miss anything. I wish everyone success in the kitchen and bon appetit. Bye bye.